with me, Crunchywood Girl. I'm here today to do another resin turning video. I don't know if you've seen on one of my previous videos, I made like a little Lego rocket man, casted in some resin, and what I did was I put the blue resin in and then the clear, and they kind of all mixed, and it gave this underwater effect, and it was really cool, so go check it out. I'll leave it up here somewhere so you can go watch that video. But this time I'm going to try it and do it just clear. All I'm going to do is paint this blank that I've got and put clear resin in and make it into a similar sort of shape. And let's compare the two and see which one looks a little bit better, whether colour looks better or clear looks better, or they're both equal, they're just different in their own ways. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button. If you like me and what I do, please go subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of other videos out there, wood turning, cabinet making, all sorts, so please go have a look and watch some of them for me. And I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, so let's get this painted. So that's it painted black. We're just going to let that go off now, and then we'll put some nice colours on top. That's it nice and dry now. So we've got some UV resin and some colours that I'm going to try. So right, so now we have our blank. What we need to do next is mix some clear resin and put it in our pot. So let's get that done. Now you want to take your time mixing, because you want to make sure it's fully mixed, and make sure you scrape all your edges, because that's where some might be laying where it doesn't get mixed. And this will help get that really clear look that we're going for.
A few moments later.
So that resin's fully mixed now, so we're going to put this in our pot. And it's quite a snug fit, so just push it right down to the bottom, and then it can't go anywhere. And next, it's just to pour our resin in. that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's turned out alright. I'm not that happy with it. I'm not happy with the shape, but it's still really pretty. Definitely going to try again. But yeah, what do you think? The colours in it are really cool. It's just a shame I didn't manage to get this to go a bit further down, like the wood bit more of an egg shape. But it's actually a really cool like paperweight if someone wanted to use it as a paperweight. And I just love how it like looks quite plain and simple, and then you turn it and you get all these different colours popping through. I think that's really cool. But yeah, there is definitely going to be another video of me attempting this. So subscribe to me, and then that should hopefully pop up in your newsfeed or whatever, and you'll be able to watch that one too. So yeah, please go subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time.